Hi friends, welcome to Max Me Education online classes. I am your Manoj sir. Today our topic compound interest. Compound interest. So what is the compound interest? Before calculations, so whenever we want money, so we are taking borrow from our neighbors, our bank. So after we are putting some money, after 1 or 2 years we are paying some extra money. This extra money is called interest. Extra money is called interest. Most of the time there are only two types of interest. One is simple interest, another one is compound interest. One is simple, second one is compound interest. Already we studied simple interest in our previous classes. Now just we are going for the compound interest. What is compound interest? What is compound interest? So compound interest means, actually in simple interest the amount principal should be is always every year should be equal. But in compound interest the principal is, whenever I take money, the borrow money is not equal. Every year it will be increase. So we are calculating interest again interest, that is compound interest. So that compound interest most of the times in banking sectors definitely they are calculate the interest on compoundly. Okay, so now compound interest. In this compound interest, observe here formula. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. Whole power N. So A is amount. P is principal. Next, R is rate of interest. N is equal to number of times. So question. This is the formula. All we are using this formula only. Okay. So find compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 3 years at 8% per annum compoundedly. Okay, right. Solution. Observe here. So here A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power N. Whole power N. Okay. Here A is equal to P how much? Principal 10,000 rupees. 1 as it is. Rate of interest 8% by 100 whole power. N is number of times. That means 3 years. Already clearly say we are counting compoundedly per annum. Every year we are calculation interest again interest. Okay, that is equal to whole power 3. Simplify. 10,000 into, so 100 plus 8, 108 whole power 3, that is equal to 10,000 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100 into 108 by 100. Okay, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros get cancelled. That is equal to next. Here only 108 into 108 into 108 divided by 100. Simplify. So you are getting 12,597.53 approximate. So we are taking 12,597. So this is the amount. This is the amount. Now we have to find interest. Compound interest I is equal to A minus P principal. Amount how much? Amount is 12,597 minus 10,000. Subtraction getting 2,597. This is the compound interest. Okay, copy it. Next, find compound interest on rupees 20,000 compound quarterly. So in previous problem he is asked annually. Compound, the interest should be every 1 year after again interest, but here every quarter only. But so for we have to find the 9 months and rate of interest 12% per annum. So simple. What is the formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. So first the principal how much is given? 20,000 already is given. Okay. Next our rate of interest. Rate of interest 12% for 1 year. For 1 year. But he asked quarter. Quarter means by 4. That is equal to 12 by 4. That is equal to 3%. The rate of interest is 3%. Next n, number of time, 9 months. 9 months means automatically year 3. So every 3 years, 9 months means total 3 times. How many times? This is 3 times. Now I have to simply substitute in that equations. Therefore A is equal to principal how much? 20,000 into 1 plus 3 by 100 whole power 3. That is equal to 20,000 100 plus 3 by 100 whole power 3. That is equal to 20,000 into 103 by 100 into 103 by 100 into 103 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. It comes 2 ones are 2 fives are. That is equal to 103 into 103 into 103 by 50. Simplify. You are getting answer is how much? 21,854 approx. Okay. So I am not taking the after that paisas. Just I am taking rupees only. This is the amount A. Amount A is equal to rupees 21,854. Now I am find compound interest. CI is equal to A minus P. A minus P. A is equal to 21,854 minus principal 20,000. Therefore, compound interest 1,854 rupees. This is the compound interest. Okay? Compound interest is equal to rupees 1,854. Okay? Right. This is another one method. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next, another one problem. So, another method. So, this is also compound interest. Find the amount of rupees 16,500 for 2 years compounded annually at the rate of interest 10% first year and 12% for second year. So, these are compound interest, but their interest is not fixed for every year. So, in previous problem that is a fixed for every compound time, but here not fixed at that time. What is the formula? Means A is equal to P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. So 2 successful is given 10, 12. Next another rate of interest. At that time we are taking R3 also same this method only. So simply have to substitute. Principal how much is given? Principal is equal to 16,500 in 1 plus R1 how much? 10 by 100 into R2 how much? 12 by 100. Okay? That is equal to 16,500 into 110 by 100. That I am writing. Into 112 by 100. Zeros. That is equal to 165 into 110 into 110 by 100. 0 get cancel. Okay? Simplify you are getting. So the calculations 20,328. 20,300 and this is the amount is wanted amount. So amount after 2 years amount is equal to 20,328 rupees. Okay? Right. Copy it. Next again one. Find the compound interest on rupees 16,000 at 15% per annum for 2 mixed 1/3 years. How we are to find? Simple. How much is given? A, what is the formula? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. N means number of time. So principal and the P is equal to 16,000 already is given clearly. Next rate of interest R is equal to 15%. Okay. Next time N is equal to 2 years plus 1/3 years. 2 mixed 1/3 means 2 years plus 1/3 years. Now we have to substitute in these equations. That is equal to amount A is equal to P into. So P how much here? 16,000 into 1 plus rate of interest 15%. 15% by 100 whole power 2. Actually it is a complete circle of 2 years. After completion of 2 circles, then again you have 1/3 years. Okay? Into. So 1 plus 15/3 because 15/3 by 100 whole power nothing because one time only we are taking one time, that is equal to 15/3, that is equal to 16,000 into 115/100 whole power 2 into 5, that is equal to 105/100. 105/100, that is equal to 16,000 into 115/100 into 115/100 into 105/100. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 0, 0 get cancelled. Okay? Next. 4 4s are 425s are. Okay? Next. Here we have again 1 0, 1 0 only cancel. 4. Next. 2 2s are 2, 5s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 23. That is equal to 2 into 23 into 115 into 105/25. Okay? 5 25s are 5 21s are 5 1s are 5 23s are. Okay? Right. So here also that is equal to 2 into 23 into 23 into 21. Simplify, you are getting 22,218. This is compound amount. Amount A is equal to 22,218. If you want compound interest, that is equal to A minus P 2,218 minus 16,000. Getting 6,218. This is the compound. These are the various methods on the compound interest. So this is very easy and exactly one compulsory question in any competitive exams, either by banking sector or RB sector, LIC sector, whatever it may. It is a compulsory. Copy it.